Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Big up to all of the people who have been reading for us over the past few months. And if you want to be one of the readers, if you want to join this team, then just reach out to me. My contact information is in the box, the description box right here. Or if you're watching this on some other platform apart from YouTube, then of course you'll know how to find me, okay? Now, we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. We're in the book of Mark now. And do me a favor, please. If you want more people to hear God talking to them in the Jamaican language, then help us out by clicking the like button, leaving a comment. Let us know what you think of what the reading has said today, and share this with as many people as you can. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, then please click the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell, because when you do that, you'll be notified every time there's a new reading on this channel, which is 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 10 from verse 17 to verse 31. When Jesus did both for left out, one man run up to him, go down upon him knee, and ask him, say, "Good teacher, what me must do if me want live forever?" Jesus asked him, say, "What make you call me good? Nobody no good, only God one. You know where Moses last say, no kill, no sleep with nobody when you not married to, no thief, no tell lie upon people, no trick people for take away what them have. Respect your father and mother and do what them say." The man answer him say, "Teacher, from me a little boy, I follow all of them there with all of my heart." Jesus look upon him and love him and said to him, say, "I only one sit in your shelter. Go sell everything where you have and give money to the poor people them, and you will reach in heaven. When you do that, come follow me." When the man hear what Jesus say, him heart drop and him go sad, cause him did well rich. Then Jesus look round and said to him follower them, say, "And the hardest thing for rich people go in a God kingdom." Him follower them shock when them hear that. So Jesus said to them again, "Picnic, it really hard for go in a God kingdom. It's easier for one camel go through one needle eye than for somebody who rich go in a God kingdom." This shocked them even more. So them said to one another, say, "Then who can get saved?" Jesus looked on them and said, "What people can do, God can do, cause nothing of there where God can do." Then Peter talk up and say, "Look, we left everything where we have to follow you." Jesus say, "Me a tell you the truth. Nobody not the boat. We left them house, brother, sister, mother, father, picnic, or house and land for me and the good news. We now go get back in at them time, yeah. House and land, brother, sister, mother, and picnic. Them are go get back 100 times more. And them are go get sufferation with them too. And in at the time we go come, then we get to live forever. But no for who they are front now, I go their back. And who they are back, I go there a front. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.